And hello YouTube, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to be able to use my plugins that I have in the server for like server commands like /xc, /report, and other things in the server that we allow you for my Bedrock and Java SMP compatible server. The server is on 1.19.2 for the Java players. If you are on Bedrock, it doesn't matter. I mean, it works on either way. So right now I'm going to switch off my video here and I'm going to show you guys here on my in-game stuff. Now here on the in-game, we can look here. So we're at someone else's house right now. I'm kind of staffing right now. They can see me. You know, I can just straight up vanish from them. And we're at someone's house right now and they're working on it. And we just added this plugin to the server. So if we do /xc, as you can see right here, and all the players should have this. Once you're in here and you're configuring a new land, you're going to click on new, and let me come over here real quick, make sure that we're not claiming his land. And you're going to click confirm. Once you get this, you'll see cancel and confirm. You're going to click confirm. Once you started that, I'm going to show you guys in game. As you guys fly around, you'll hear like a clink, clink. Green particle shows that it's been claimed by you. So all you do is right click here to claim a new chunk. And now I own these 4 chunks of the world right here. And that is all you need. And then to stop it, you're going to click quit. Now if you do /xc again, and then edit claim chunks. Now this is going to show everybody's claim chunks because I'm staff. If we go here to right here, so I'll show you the chords, and you can also unclaim them as well. It'll show you here the green's years. Go ahead and click quit XC. So to edit your claims, you're gonna click on edit name, claim name, find the claim. So you can claim up to, on my server, you can claim up to so many. So basically, you can claim up to 5 or 10 claims, but you can do up to 120 chunks. So what that means is that if you have 120 chunks in one claim, you cannot use those claims again for more. Though if you stop claiming and then you make a new claim, then you can continue adding to those chunks. Each player gets 120 chunks, and this is just for right now. As someone's trying to whisper to me. So like if we click here new claim, and it's gonna say enter a new claim name. So I'm gonna name this XKC whatever, and then that's gonna be this name for here. Edit claim chunks, and if you hover over it, there's yours. If you're staff, you'll see other people's, but if you're not staff, then you will not see other people's. You would see your own. So to edit your own claim here, so like if we click edit claims here, actually hang on, if we go back here, if we go to edit claim permissions and then go to the claims, I recommend using this one, but if you just want player permission, but I recommend not, and I recommend doing general permissions. So under here, you will see all of these like build, break, damage, the whole 9 yards. You can set these up to wherever you want. You have all, that means all players. Veterans, which means players who have had a certain time on the server. I'm not for sure what that is set currently. I have to go into the server files and look at that one. Trusted means players who specifically trusted. And this one's the one I recommend to prevent the most griefing. And only recommend a few, or you and your friends, or no one, except for you. So yeah. So if you want delete claim, so I can delete anyone's claim. So we're gonna delete this claim right here. Because I'm staff and I can delete that. For the reporting part, you're gonna do /report. And then you're gonna click enter. when you do this, and then you should get a list once you click report or report player. So we're going to use Fall Apollo. Actually, we're going to use CSU floppy for this one. And then we're going to say, saw him cheating. And then you're just going to click that. So us staff will be able to see it. So if I click Staff Hub here, we'll find our unresolved reports, and it shows right here. Reason, saw him cheating, reporter, show the reported timestamp. So this shows us status is open, ID number 3, except blah blah blah. So now if we click right to resolve, and then that's going to resolve your report. And then if we go here, it should be gone, so. And that right there is how you guys are going to be able to use our deal. And if you guys are interested in joining in the SMP, go down into the link in the description below, and you guys will be able to find our Discord server. And there you guys will be able to find where the IP is to join the server. It would be like it would say Bedrock and Java. Both IPs are different, but go to the same area. So like this other person here who has Fall Apollo, the only reason why they have that tiny little dot in front of them is because they are on Bedrock and I'm on Java. Some and most players are on Java. But like anyone can join in on the server. Doesn't matter who you are as long as you're on Bedrock and Java. This works on mobile, the whole 9 yards. For PS4, there's things like Better Together for allowing server usage, which basically takes your the server you're trying to connect to and takes it and makes it as a like if it's your own world or a server on your homeland. That's pretty much what it does. Okay. He did a command for that horse. So anyways, that is how you would go about joining in the server and doing like the slash report and stuff like that in the all in the server. We're trying to fix the reporting system because if a normal player does slash report, for some reason it does not give them the slash report, but you can do the XC/XC for the claim. We're also adding some more plugins, so we're accepting ideas for plugins and things like that from the server side. But if you guys are interested in joining, again, link is in the description below. I stream on Twitch also, so that link will be in the description. Link where we stream on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is the days that we stream on Twitch. You can catch me live there. I didn't stream today because I'm kind of sick, so just to let you guys know. Anyways, I'll see you guys later, and peace out.